Greetings. We are going to start the book of computer. Class 2 computer coding in Scratch GR. So let's learn with fun. Here is the content of the book. Assess your knowledge. Chapter number 1. Computer, a wonderful device. Computer is a device or machine with many functions. You use it for making calculations, writing letters, playing games, listening to music, watching films, and so on. Here are the parts of computer. Basic parts of computer. Basic parts of computer are keyboard, mouse, display unit, system unit, keyboard. A computer keyboard comprises many small buttons called keys. A standard keyboard has more than 100 keys. A keyboard helps you to type on the computer. It is a very important part of the computer. You cannot do most of the tasks on computer without a keyboard. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that controls the movement of a pointer on the screen. A mouse can have two buttons which you click to perform actions on the computer. Clicking the mouse once is called a single click, while clicking it twice quickly is called a double click. Mouse also has a wheel button between the buttons. You use it for scrolling through documents. An arrow on the screen is called mouse pointer. Display unit. You see your drawings, pictures, cartoons, and movies on it. It has a screen and a power button. All types of display units were called CRT monitors. LCD and LED are the latest types of display unit. Here is the diagram of LED monitor. System unit. It is the most important part of a computer. It is rectangular in shape. It has a power button that starts computer. All the parts of a computer are connected to it. Every job of the computer is processed inside the system unit. Some other parts of a computer. Besides the four main parts, some other parts can also be connected to the system unit for different purposes. Let's learn more about computer parts. Speakers and headphones. Sounds produced by the computer or songs played on it are heard through the speakers or headphones. These are connected system unit with a wire. Printer. A printer is used to print information on paper. It must be connected to a computer, which allows you to print letters and pictures on the paper. Printer can print both in color and black and white. Web camera. A web camera is used to take pictures and videos. We can save these pictures and videos in the computer. It is commonly known as webcam. Okay, let's have a look at the diagrams. Here is the questions. Here is the exercise. Types of computer. Unit number 2. Personal computer. A computer that is used by one person at a time is known as personal computer. In short form, it is also called PC. Types of personal computer. There are 4 types of personal computers: desktop computers, laptop computers, tablets, smartphones. Desktop computer. A desktop computer is designed for use at a desk. System unit of a desktop computer comes in 2 cases: tower case and desktop case. These types of computer are kept at one place. A tower case is tall and vertically stands next to the monitor or on the floor. A desktop case lies flat horizontally on a desk or a table. The monitor is usually placed on top of it. Laptop computer. Laptop computer is smaller in size and weight. You can take it anywhere easily. It works with a battery or electricity. Another type of personal computer is notebook. It is similar to laptop but smaller in size. Laptop or notebook computers are more expensive than desktop computer. Here you can see the diagrams. Tablet is a touch screen personal computer. It is smaller than a notebook but larger than a smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone with touch screen to work. We can browse the internet and run different programs or applications on it. Unit number 3. Keyboard and mouse. A keyboard consists of many small buttons called keys. These keys have letters, numbers, and symbols printed on them. The keyboard is connected by a wire to the system unit. Types of keys. A keyboard has the following different types of keys. Typing keys. These keys include the alphabet keys, punctuation marks, numbers, keys, symbols, and a space bar keys. Alphabet keys. There are 29 alphabet keys, A, B, up to so on till Z. As you can see, these keys are not placed in alphabetical order. Number keys. 0 to 9 number keys are used to enter numbers into the computer. Spacebar keys. This is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used in typing to give one space between two words. Arrow or cursor keys. This group of keys is used to move the cursor position in all directions: left, right, up and down on the display screen. Special keys. The keys on which you see words are called special keys. Enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Shift keys. Shift keys. There are 2 shift keys on both sides of the keyboard. While you are typing, you use shift key to make the letters capital. It is also used to insert symbols. Backspace key. This key is used to delete any character to the left of the cursor. Caps lock key. This key is used to type in capital letters. To use this key, press it once and see the yellow light on the right corner of the keyboard where the caps lock is written on a bulb or LED. Delete key. This key is used to delete one letter or number to the right side of the cursor. Mouse. A mouse is used to select and to control the movement of mouse pointer to the screen. The mouse usually has 2 or 3 buttons and a small wheel between the buttons. When you move the mouse, an arrow on the screen also moves around. This arrow is called mouse pointer. Left mouse button is used to point to any menu or icon, and selection of text or image wheel is used to scroll the page up and down. Right mouse button is used to invoke the content menu. Here is the diagram of mouse. Next is exercise. Unit number 4, Introduction to Windows. Switching on a computer. You know that computer is a machine that works on electricity. After switching on the power supply from the socket, push the power button on the system unit. It is used to switch on the computer. Now switch on the display screen from its power button. After a few seconds, you will see a screen on the display unit as shown below. This screen is called desktop. Microsoft Window. Microsoft Window is one of the softwares that enables a computer to perform different functions. For us, it tells a computer what to do and how to do it. MS Windows makes it easier for us to use a computer. Here you will learn some basic features of Windows. Desktop. When the computer is switched on, the first thing that appears on the screen is called desktop. You start your work from the desktop. It consists of some icons, taskbar, and a background area. Here is the labeling of diagram. You can see icons. Small images on the computer are called icons. Some common icons are shown below. Recycle bin. The recycle bin acts just like a dustbin. Every file you delete goes to the recycle bin. This PC icon is used to access everything on your computer. Windows button. Windows button. This button is used to open start menu. Middle section. This section shows program and files that you have opened. Some program have shortcuts for easy access as well. Notification area. This area has a clock and some icons like volume control. Start menu. When you press start button, it opens start menu, which you use to open installed programs. For this you use all programs. Windows. Whenever you open a program, file, or folder, it appears on the screen in a box or a frame called window. When you open Paint, the Paint window will appear on the screen as given below. Title bar. Title bar is located on the top of the window. It displays the name of the document and program you are working in. Minimize button. Minimize button is used to reduce the window to a button on the task bar. On the task bar, maximize button. Maximize button is used to enlarge the windows to full size, to full screen. Close button. Close button is used to close an open window or program. Changing the background, picture, or wallpaper. You can change the background or wallpaper of your desktop by following these steps. Step 1. Right click on an empty space on the desktop and click on Personalize. The window as shown on the right will appear on the screen. Step 2. Then head to Background and choose your new background by clicking Browse to browse the image on your PC. Step 3. Choose the photo you want for your new background and it should go live. Try different backgrounds by clicking them. Click the browse button to see pictures from different folders. Step 4. Click on Save Change and exit the desktop background window. After finishing your work, you should shut down the computer properly. Shut down. To shut down your computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Window button and then select Power. Step 2. Just above the taskbar, click on Shut down. After this appearance of the desktop, the computer will automatically switch off. Press the power button to turn off the display screen. Take the correct answer. Unit number 5. More about MS Paint. Working with MS Paint. MS Paint is used for drawing, coloring, editing pictures. It allows us to resize and change pictures. You can print your drawings on paper. Let's start Paint program. Click on the Start button to open Start menu. Now scroll down to Window Accessories and click on it. Now click on Paint. Paint window will appear on the screen as shown below. The Home tab. The Paint window always open with the Home tab. The Home tab consists of the following groups: clipboard, image tools, shapes, and colors. All these groups help you to make drawings and coloring. Let us learn some details about Home tab. The image group. The image group contains select, crop, resize, rotate tools. The select tool has two options. When selecting part of the image, you can choose background color to be included in the selection or not. Simply check or uncheck the transparent selection option. Tools group. The tools group has useful options that you can use in your drawings. The pencil tool is used for freehand drawing. Fill with the color tool is used to fill an area of a single color. The text tool is used to add text in drawings. The eraser tool is used to erase some parts or whole of the drawing. The color picker tool is used to match or pick any color in a drawing. Magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to make an object large or zoom. The view tab.